Welcome to Grace TV. We are on a big mission for creating awareness about fertility and women health. This program is exclusively designed to overcome the gap in care that women and couples face when they are planning a baby. So, we have set out to build this informative channel to bridge the gap and provide useful information to women in simple and understandable language. The channel is founded by Dr. Rubina K.D. Singh, an IVF and fertility expert and an ambassador of hope for many couples struggling to have a baby. We are helping couples to become parents from all over the world with ethics, love, and joy.
Why is folic acid important in pregnancy and during the preconceptional period? Whether you are pregnant or you are on a journey for trying a baby, the most important nutrient which you must take is folic acid. Hi, I'm Dr. Rubina, gynecologist and an IVF specialist, and today we will talk about what is folic acid, how much folic acid a pregnant lady should take, when should you start taking folic acid, and why we prescribe folic acid as a part of preconceptional counseling and also during the pregnancy. So folic acid or vitamin B9 is found in foods such as green leafy vegetables, such as cereals, such as brown rice. All of these are very rich in folic acid. Now WHO and CDC recommends a daily dose of 400 micrograms to be given to the lady who is trying to get pregnant and also the lady who is in first trimester of pregnancy. But we in India give 5 milligrams as this is what is available in the Indian market, and this is done so that there is right level of folic acid in the body when you conceive. So this folic acid should be taken 2 to 3 months before trying for pregnancy. Now this is because this prevents neural tube defects. Neural tube defects are the serious birth defects, that is spinal bifida, that is a gap in the spinal cord, or anencephaly, where the brain tissue of the baby is not developed. Now, if you take folic acid, in that case, it reduces the chances of neural tube defects by 70%. But women with previous history of neural tube defect in the baby, or if patient is severely diabetic, or if the patient is taking anti-epileptic drugs, or patient has BMI of more than 35 and is obese and overweight, in such cases we give double dose of folic acid. We prescribe 5 milligram twice a day to such patients so as to reduce the chances of neural tube defects. But now many a times patient come and ask, what if that they haven't taken folic acid before pregnancy or in the first trimester? So these patients get extremely panicked. Now the first thing is, our advice to them is, first is it is always good that they should have taken, but if they haven't taken, they should not panic. Now if they are already taking any supplementation which is designed for specifically for fertility or pregnancy, so they must check the ingredient. There are chances are high that they contain folic acid. 400 microgram of folic acid is generally present in the multivitamins. But if it doesn't contain folic acid, so they should start taking as soon as possible they can. The second question patient comes and asks is that now they have crossed 12 weeks and they haven't taken folic acid in their first trimester. So the important piece of advice to them is that it is important to know that the chances of baby getting neural tube defects in a normal population where there are no risk factors, in that case the chances are extremely low. So don't get worried that they might get the baby might get all of these abnormalities if they have not taken folic acid. The chances is anyway 6 out of 10,000 babies. So they must talk to the doctor so that doctor can plan their health checkups during their antenatal care, and can keep a close watch on baby's growth and development. So the takeaway messages are that first thing is to eat healthy and take a balanced and a proper diet which contains all the multivitamins, also green leafy vegetables, which contains the folic acid, foods which are rich in folic acid. Second is they must start taking, they should make sure that they must start taking the daily dose of folic acid, that is 400 microgram, at least 2 to 3 months before trying to get pregnant, and also continue taking folic acid for next 3 months in the first trimester of pregnancy, and they can take it during the morning time with breakfast so that it is not missed, and it is they should not forget taking it. But be very sure that you should not overdose the folic acid, because the researchers have seen that the excessive or overdose of folic acid in mothers, in those mothers, the chances of autism in baby in the longer run are more. But still the researches are going on. So still the researchers have to come to a conclusion to say that the overdose actually causes autism. So to know more about such informative videos, you can subscribe to our channel Grace TV, or you can log on to our website www.graceivf.com. You can even call us, or you can even email us. We will be more than happy to help you have your baby. Thank you.